Today it's going to be all about breaking down those half rep exercises that you guys see. I know you've all seen them in those prison workouts and you're wondering, why is it do those things work? Well, let me tell you, they're not sloppy reps. What it is there's a strategic reason to why we did it. And in this episode, I'm going to break down for you guys the why we used them, the benefits of them, and how it is that you can use them today in order to get the most benefit in your workouts. In prison, we didn't have the luxury of great gyms and heavy weights and those kinds of things. We had to make it happen with what we could make it happen with. So in order to do that, we would do tons of calisthenics. We would make up makeshift weights. We would use other people for weights. We just did what we had to do. And with that type of mentality, that is where that half rep was born. Because in order to truly max out your sets, and in order to tear down the maximum amount of muscle, you had to push your sets to the absolute max that you could and beyond. So it was forced reps, forced reps, forced reps. That's what you got to do when you're doing calisthenics and body weight type exercises, or when you're working with minimal weight for the exercise that you're doing. You've got to be able to push it to that limit and then push it past. And using those half reps, that'll do it. Let me tell you. That will do it. You have to be able to go to the limit that your muscle can go to while doing that exercise that you're doing. And since we had lighter weights, the reps were high. Or if you're doing calisthenics, the majority of the time, your reps are going to be very high. So in order to actually tear the muscle fibers down to the fullest, you want to be able to use as much forced reps as possible. And the best way to do that is when you are no longer able to get that full range of motion, that's when you start pumping out those half reps. It's pump, 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 till you can't pump no more. That's the way you do it. And because of that, you will be able to build strength and endurance along with that just straight grit. You're going to just get gritty because you don't give up. You're going to push and you're going to push and you're going to keep on pushing until you can't push no more. That's what those half reps do. That's what that half rep builds. And that's what that half rep's all about. When you have gone and pushed your muscles to the absolute limit when it comes to that full rep range, you've still got some more left. And that's where the half rep comes in. You're going to be maxed out. You can't push another full rep, but you can still pump out a couple more of these little half reps. And that is where you're going to be able to recruit the maximum amount of muscle fibers, and you're going to get the maximum amount of time under tension, which is one of the key functions of those half reps, is it's time under tension. There's no lockout pause at the top, and there's no real deep hesitation at the bottom because it's just a pumping rep. You're just time under tension. You're keeping that muscle at work for as long as possible, and it's more than you could get with just straight reps because you can do more. Some guys would actually do workouts that would be almost the entire complete workout would be just half reps. Now, that wasn't really my thing. I would always usually use it after having burnt out on full rep range exercises. But I did see some guys get some really good results with just doing nothing but pumped out half reps. So could be something worth trying. I'm not going to recommend that completely because the variety, I believe, and there is definitely a benefit in full rep range also. However, I'm just telling you, if you only have body weight or minimal resistance to work with, that half rep is the way to go. It is what we used religiously because of that. Without the half rep, there's no way you'd see these dudes in prison with the results that they get. When people think of that prison build, that prison body, and then they're like, oh, dude, those guys are turning into beasts. It's because of using that half rep at the end and taking all of the different sets, or at least the last set of every exercise, to a true and total failure by just burning those half reps till you can't half rep anymore and keeping all of that time under tension on that muscle. All right, guys, here's the absolute most important part of the whole thing. It is what you can do today to implement these half reps into your workout routines to get the best results you can possibly get. What that is 1, use lighter weights or straight up calisthenic exercises with a full range of motion until you can no longer push out another solid strict rep, and then go into half reps until you cannot do another rep, period. 2, you can take the last reps of every set to complete and total failure by pumping out those half range reps. You could do them as a drop set where you're using weights at first and you pump out as many reps as you can get with the weights, or a predetermined amount of reps with the weights at a heavy weight. And then when you're no longer able to do that, or after having done that preset number, then put the weights down and drop to a body weight exercise where you're maxing out and pumping out as many reps as possible until you can't pump out another rep, which ends up with you doing those half reps. For instance, you're doing bench press, and let's say you're going to do a weight that you can only do 5 times. So you're going to hit that bench with that weight that you can only do 5 times. After you get your 5th rep, you'll go immediately to another exercise like body weight dips, and then pump out as many dips as you can, starting with the full range of motion dips at first, and then after you can no longer do any full range of motion dips, you just keep on pumping and pumping and pumping and pumping in that half range until you can't do it. You're just toast. You are done. You have annihilated that muscle. You have gotten to complete, total, and utter fatigue. And then you can reap those benefits. Remember, for a recap of this, it's all about pushing past your limits when it comes to those half reps. You want to go and whatever is your full rep range limit, push past it. Blow by that guy. That guy ain't You can do it. When you think you can't, you really can. And that's where it comes in, is you can't push out another rep? Well, start pumping them little half reps. Taking it to full failure, totally tearing down those muscle fibers, and then letting them rebuild and pushing it. Just push it, baby. That's what you can do. So you guys see, those half rep range sets aren't just for dudes that are locked up in prison. They're for everybody. Hope you give it a try. You're going to get benefits from it. Give that arm a flex and hit that like button. Hit the subscribe. Work with me, man. Give me some comments. All right. That said, I got a video right here that is going to take you guys into a playlist of a bunch of water bag or sandbag exercises where you'll be able to see the exact types of exercises that we did in the prison system. Hope you enjoy it. If you know anybody who likes a good challenge, share the video. All right. Love you guys. Until next one, peace.